Namaskar. From today, coming 31 days, in Kerala, people they specially take up Ramayana Parayanam because this month is called as Ramayana Masam. So, just a thought of sharing few important aspects to be practiced in our life or the lessons we can take up in the life from Ramayana. We thought of sharing with you. Number one, respect elders and be duty bound towards parents. Sri Rama left for Vanavasa after his mother Kaikeyi expressed her desire to see her son, that is Bharat, to become the future king of Ayodhya. Rama did not say anything because he had no other thinking to just to obey his parents, and he left for uh, Vanavasa. Second thing, remain united with the siblings even during the toughest of times. It's a very important aspect to be learned from Ramayana. Bharata refused to accept the throne after his father's demise and waited for Ram to return from his Vanavasa. Lakshmana also accompanied with the brother Ram. Standing by the side of his brother was the aspect which Lakshmana did. And Bharata knew that the throne is not for him. He doesn't deserve to be there because his brother, eldest brother, deserves to be on the throne. So he waited till Rama returns. And the other third thing, be loyal to your spouse. This is a very important aspect to be learned. Ravana tried to use Sita Maya, abducting her, but Sita never let him succeed in his attempts. Ram did not remarry after Sita was forcibly abandoned by him, even after conducting the Agni Pariksha. Being a king, he could have enjoyed the privilege of having many queens, but he chose to remain loyal to his beloved wife Sita. Next thing, be deeply committed to your duty. Now, besides being Sita's husband, Rama was also the king of Ayodhya, and the duty of a king is to keep his people happy. And hence he had to abandon his wife for the sake of the masses after they questioned her chastity. As a husband, he was duty bound towards his wife, but as a king, he had to think of his people, their wish ahead of his personal wishes. So he lived for the society. Choose the path of righteousness is another lesson to be learned. Vibhishana, younger brother of Ravana, chose not to support his sibling in the war against Ram. He knew his brother had committed a sin by abducting Sita. That is, she is married to Ram. So that's a wrong thing which a brother has done. So he chose to become in the path of righteousness. Next lesson, remain humble no matter how powerful you become. This is a very important aspect to be remembered. Hanuman could have easily rescued Sita from Ravana's Ashoka Vatika. He had the power to single-handedly fight against Ravana's army, but he chose to surrender to Lord Rama's divinity and let him do the needful. Such a very important lesson to be learned from Hanuman. Never consider anyone inferior is another important lesson to be learned. Mighty Prince Ram took the help of Vanara Sena to build a bridge, Ram Setu, so that he could reach Lanka to free Sita. The little monkeys not just helped him build the Setu, but also took part in the war against Ravana. And Sri Rama considered every one of them, they have the potential divinity to support him. Don't look at anybody as inferior to you. It's an important lesson to be learned. All that glitters is not gold, we keep saying. We can learn this also from Ramayana. Sita got attracted to a spotted deer that looked incredibly beautiful. She wanted Ram to get the deer for her from the jungle. Actually, it wasn't a deer, it was marriage. Ravana sent him, and Sita got attracted to it. Be very careful. All that glittering is not gold. If you get attracted to such things in your life, you may lose your life. It's a great important lesson to be learned. You will be in trouble thereafter. Embrace all irrespective of caste, creed, or color is to be learned from Ramayana. Prince Ram ate the fruits that were already tasted by Shabari, a poor old woman who had nothing much to offer but pure love and devotion. And Sri Rama accepted. He tasted it and gave to him, but not thinking of anything other than her love and her devotion to Lord Rama. And Rama embraced such thing. Just imagine. He was so happy with her devotion and love towards Lord. And certain things we need to abandon in the life. What are those? We have to abandon kama, that is lust, krodha, anger, moha, desire, mada, what is mada? Pride, lobha, greed, matsarya, that is competition. All these things we have to remove from our life. Irsha, jealousy, this is a grina, hatredness, bhaya, fear. All these things we must abandon from our life and lead a very happy, purposeful and peaceful life is what Ramayana teaches us today on this very important day. Let us all remember these aspects from Ramayana and make use of these things, these lessons in our life, and lead a very purposeful life. We can see an ideal life ahead. One Adarsha Samaj we can see, in that we can all become such a beautiful, we can live a peaceful life. May God bless all of you is the prayer from Vivekananda Kendra for all of you. Thank you very much.